In front of me is iPad 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, just open Photos app and click on Collections. Then tap on one of your folders from which you want to delete your photos, and tap on Select at the top right corner. Then choose Select All, also at the top right corner. Now to keep any of those photos, click at the bottom right corner of each one, or slide your finger across. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!